WhatsApp is officially stepping into Instagram territory, but with its own privacy-first spin. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. In a move set to redefine how users share personal updates, the popular messaging app that lets you control exactly who sees your status updates, spotted in the latest Android beta version 2.25.25.11. The feature introduces a redesigned status sharing feature that feels sleek, seamless, and surprisingly familiar. Now, when you're about to post a status, whether it's a selfie, a quote, or a slice of your day, you'll find audience selector chips right at the bottom of the drawing editor screen. These let you instantly toggle between My Contacts and Only Share With without diving into separate privacy menus. The Only Share With option acts like a private club, allowing you to handpick the lucky few who can view your updates. On the flip side, choosing My Contacts broadcasts your status to everyone in your contact book unless you've excluded specific people. To make things even more interesting, WhatsApp is testing toast notifications that pop up in real time, confirming how many people have seen or not seen your status with each privacy tweak. Think of it as a gentle reminder before you overshare. This feature signals a growing trend of users craving more control over their digital circles, especially when it comes to personal content. By blending Instagram-like familiarity with WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption and private messaging ethos, the platform's aiming to create a safer, smarter way to share, although there's no word on the global rollout yet. But we are eagerly waiting. Were you waiting for this update? Comment down your thoughts and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.